Hello friends, welcome to Keerthi Sanjeev's channel. Today we gonna see an easy chocolate cake. It's very simple and easy to make. Just 4 ingredients needed. It's an ideal cake which you can try in lockdown. So let's see the recipe. First of all, on the stove and keep a kadai or a heavy bottom vessel. Put some salt to bake a cake. Keep a stand. If you don't have a stand, just keep a small plate at the center. Let the stove be on low flame. Close the kadai and preheat for 10 minutes. Now let's prepare a cake tray. Take a cake tray or any aluminium vessel. Put little cooking oil or butter. Spread it all over the tray. Add 1 spoon of all-purpose flour or maida and spread it evenly and all over in the tray. If you have a butter paper, you can avoid using maida. Now our cake tray is ready. So I took 2 big packets of bourbon chocolate flavored biscuit. Instead of this, you can use any other cream biscuit like Oreo 2. I took 2 big packets of bourbon biscuit. Here 1 packet consists of 17 biscuits. So totally you have to take 34 biscuits. Don't remove the cream. Just break it into 2 to 3 pieces and make it as a fine powder. I put it twice because of more biscuit pieces. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar while making it to a fine powder. Now the mixture is ready. There will be a little moist because of cream in it. Let's transfer it to a mixing bowl. Now I am grinding the remaining biscuit pieces just like I did it first. Now we added biscuit powders into the mixing bowl. Take 1 cup of milk. The milk has been boiled and cooled down to room temperature. Add milk gradually, that is, add it little by little because adding full milk doesn't help us to get the cake consistency. No need of maida, butter and eggs for the cake batter. It's an easy-going cake without oven and pressure cooker. Now I got the cake batter consistency. Make sure that the batter doesn't have any lumps and comes to this point of semi-liquid. Now let's add Eno powder. Add this full packet, which is 1 teaspoon of Eno powder. I use lemon flavor, but you don't get lemon flavor or smelling cake. If you don't have Eno powder, use baking powder and baking soda. Now to activate Eno powder, I put 1 teaspoon of milk on Eno powder. Once you add Eno powder, you should mix the cake batter in same direction gently. After adding Eno powder or baking soda, pour the batter into the cake tray as fast as you can. Tap the cake tray to get the air bubbles out. Now keep the cake tray on the preheated vessel. To garnish the cake, you can add grated badam and cashew nuts. If you want, you can add it or you can avoid it. No need to cover the cake tray with aluminium foil. Now close the lid and bake it for 40 minutes on low flame. The 40 minutes is over now and we can open the lid to see the cake. The cake looks like it has been perfectly cooked. To check the cake is baked or not, just put the knife in the middle of the cake. If the batter didn't stick in knife, the cake is done. Suppose the batter sticks to the knife, you can cook it for extra 10 minutes. We have to cool it, so take the cake tray out of the vessel and wait for 10 minutes. The 10 minutes is over, the cake is also cooled down. Separate the edges of the cake from tray with the help of knife. Transfer the cake in the plate. Tap the bottom of the tray. The cake is ready to cut. Let's cut it. It's very fluffy and looks yummy. It tastes just like one we get in bakery. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and comment the video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see our videos.